Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jake from Indy Card Breaks. About to start our 5-box 2018 Panini Football Mixer here on Wednesday, January 2nd, 2019. Welcome to 2019. Let's get the random going. Oops. All right, hopefully you guys can see that. All right, here's the dice roll to see how many times we're going to random. And we're going, click it, 5 times. 5 times. Also remember, if you guys are new to the breaks, after the basketball break, we'll do the free spot into Friday's Bowman's Best Case break between everyone in the football and basketball break. We always do that every night, give away a free spot into the next breaks. So here are the teams. We got combo spots of Jags and Raiders and Texans and Titans. I ended up swapping. We've been doing Bengals and Titans, but I swapped it to Texans since they haven't had very many hits come out, and Bengals have actually had a decent amount of hits. So 2 combo spots. Here we go, 5 times. 1. We have Patriots down to Lions. 2. Giants to Chargers. 3. Broncos to Ravens. 4. Eagles to Jets. And 5. Got Chiefs in the top spots. We're the big guys. Bills are at 5. Jets are 12. Browns are 16. Ravens 19. And Giants 30. So you can see random 5 times there. Copy that over in the spreadsheet. All right, now everyone's name. See everyone in there. We got Steve Owen with the free spot from last week. Here we go. 1. Dan Jones on Tim DeHaan. 2. Steve Owen down to Tim DeHaan. 3. Chris Newman down to Tim DeHaan. 4. Steve Owen down to Jason Evie. And 5. We got Dan Jones in the top spot. See all the way down to Tim DeHaan in spot 30. You can see randomized 5 times. So I'm going to copy that over in. We will paste. And print. And we'll go through it. Fix the camera. I'm gonna do a little different this time and put the camera a little bit more of a down angle. Might help with the glare a little bit. All right, here we go. You had Chiefs, Dan Jones, Colts and Niners to Tim DeHaan, Bengals, Mark Green, Bills, Conrad Brunner, Buccaneers, Tim DeHaan, Texans, Titans combo, Mark Green, Broncos go to Steve Owen with a free spot from last week, Seahawks, Chris Newman, Lions, Megan Coffey, Packers, Steve Owen, Jets, Tim DeHaan, Redskins, Steve Owen, Falcons, Corey Owens, Cardinals, Tyler Walker, Browns, Mark Green, Saints, Conrad Brunner, Patriots, Nick Kirsch, Ravens, Mike Gallagher, Panthers, J.K. Stewart, Cowboys, Adam Lovely, Steelers, Jason Evie, Jags, Raiders, combo spot, Mike Gallagher, Eagles, Steve Owen, Rams, Andy Weldy, Bears, Chris Newman, Vikings, Mark Green, Dolphins, Megan Coffey, Chargers, Stephen Hufana, and Giants, Tim DeHaan. Feel free to talk trades here for a minute if you'd like. There we go. It's a little better. Yep, we are full. Full for the whole night, Andy. All right, Tim and Caden, you guys on? I know. You gotta buy sooner. We actually had spots pretty for a while today. Football didn't fill up to right before. So no Tim and Caden. All right, guys, last call on trades. Last call on trades, or otherwise we're going to get going. All right, let's do this. Gonna start with a box of Optic. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's been fun. I always appreciate you guys jumping in and filling the breaks fast and selling it out. It makes it a lot more fun and getting things done quicker than having to wait. For you that broke with us the first time we were doing this, before I even started working the shop, what was that, 3-4 years ago? A lot of times, especially near the end, we had to cancel a lot of breaks. So, all right, good luck, everyone. Start with Optic. Thanks, Bruno. So we got a blue to start. Got Ronald Jones, Antonio Brown, Kamara, blue Adam Thielen for the Vikings. It's numbered out of 149. And the Kid Reporter card. Luck, Winston, Hollow, Demaryius Thomas, and Damian Ratley. David Johnson, Trubisky. So we got green velocity coming up. Nice. Saquon Barkley, green velocity for the Giants. Those aren't numbered, but they're only like one per box at most, not even. Couple per case. So that's a sweet Saquon right there. That's going to Tim and Caden. Valdez Scantling rookie. Yeah, that's a nice hit. Powell, Hunt, rookie series, Rashad Penny, and Tanner Lee rookie. Demaryius Thomas, Russell Wilson, Mohamed Sanu, and an Anthony Miller rookie. That's good. We got an orange coming up. T.Y., Sammy Watkins, a Jake Winicky, orange rookie for the Vikings. It's out of 199. And Dante Pettis. Charles Clay, Michael Thomas, Hollow Bilal Powell, and a Ryan Izzo rookie. Try and hide the auto here. We got Larry Fitzgerald, Dak Prescott, Denzel Ward. And the auto in this box is Dallas Goedert for the Eagles. Dallas Goedert for the Eagles and Steve Owen. That one's numbered out of 125, so a little bit more of a short print base auto on him. get some more decent color here. Got Cameron Wake, Tyreek Hill, Joe Flacco, and Marcel Aitman. Focus. There we go. Le'Veon, Gronk. There's a hollow Jaleel Scott and a Kiki Cutie. All right, half the box down. Looks like we got a red coming up. And those should be out of 99. Derwin James rookie, James White, Jabril Peppers, and a red Jaleel Scott for the Ravens. That's out of 99. Ravens is Mike Gallagher. All right, I got Fournette, Julio, Jay Ajayi, and Antonio Callaway, ready rookie. Kitty Reporter. Cook, Matthews, Mariota, Boston Scott. Andy Dalton, Gurley, Deshaun Watson, throwback, and Bradley Chubb rookie. Hey, Caden. You guys have the Colts, Niners, Buccaneers, Jets, and Giants. You already hit a nice Saquon parallel I'll show you here in a second. Alex Collins, Matthew Stafford, Orange Calais Campbell. It's out of 199. And then Minka Fitzpatrick. You get the green velocity Saquon out of Optic. This is box number 1. So that was a good hit. Hopkins, Hyde, Aguilar, and Jester Weah. Not sure. Probably a week or two. Alex Smith, Rivers, Devontae Adams, and Josh Allen. Optic. You're probably looking at a week or two on Beckett. Derrick Henry, Aaron Donald, Elite Series Fletcher Cox, and Auden Tate. Looks like we got a blue coming up. Jaleel Scott, Kelvin Benjamin, Eli Manning, and a Naheem Hines. Light blue for the Colts. That's out of 299. And last pack of box number 1. So we got another light blue. Jake Winicky, Zeke, McCoy, and Kenyon Drake. The Dolphins. That is out of 299. All right, box 1 in the books. Let's do a playbook. Then we'll go back to Optic, then Obsidian, and Immaculate. Finish with that one. Let's do this. All right. Just going to go card by card here. First up, Ronald Jones, a second jumbo patch, 17 of 50 for the Buccaneers. That one's going to Tim and Caden. Nice patch there. Then we have a triple jersey, Russell Wilson, Rashad Penny, and Doug Baldwin. Out of 299 for the Seahawks and Newman. And we have a nice auto, Leighton Vander Esch, 25 of 49 for the Cowboys. I believe Cowboys is Adam Lovely. Nice LVE auto. And the book is Mike Gesicki for the Dolphins. That's 3 of 25. So this should hopefully have a nasty Dolphins patch on it. It's going to Megan Coffey. All right, 4-color. It's no Dolphins logo, but still. Mike Gesicki, 3 of 25. On-card rookie auto book. Nice hit there. That's what I thought I had him. I thought we hit another Van Der Esch auto. I wasn't sure if it was you or not. It's not a bad one to keep hitting. Pretty solid box of playbook there. Nice. Oh yeah, there are definitely a lot worse guys to hit, that's for sure. By the way, if anyone's interested, the Contenders football checklist did get released, so that is out. Unfortunately, Darius Leonard does not have any autos. He's got a base. They did some base rookie cards this year. So he has a base rookie, but he does not have an auto. All right, box 2 of Optic. Fountain, McKinnon, Thomas. We got an orange Braxton Berrios for the Patriots. That's out of 199. McCaffrey, Roethlisberger, Tremaine Edmonds, hollow for the Bills. Kyle Lauletta rated rookie. Landon Collins, Watson, Legend Series Marshall Faulk, and a Jordan Thomas rookie. Looks like we got one of those case-it inserts coming up. There's a Saquon rookie. Emmanuel Sanders, Deion Lewis, and it is explosive Ezekiel Elliott. These are pretty tough inserts for Adam and the Cowboys. Nice little insert hit there for you, Adam. Yeah, Watkins, Clay, Tom Brady retro for the Patriots. Avonte Maddox rookie. An orange coming up. Luke Falk, AJ Green, Amari Cooper, and orange Devontae Booker for the Broncos out of 199. Got a red coming up too. Royce Freeman rated rookie. Derek Carr, Jamison Crowder, red of Nyheim Hines. So the Colts get their second Nyheim Hines parallel. That's out of 99, 84 of 99. Marvin Jones Jr., Evans, hollow Dak Prescott, and Tremaine Edmonds rookie. This one has our auto in it. I'm going to save that to the end, build the suspense up a little bit. Drew Brees, Garrett, there's Deshaun Hamilton, hollow rookie. Deion Kane. By the way, guys, make sure to check our social media and all that probably Thursday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon. I think tomorrow is almost Thursday. 2 days off threw me off. Ian Thomas, Von Miller, Leonard Williams, and a Ronald Jones Jr., a light blue, $2.99. Hey, what's up, Greg? How's it going? So tomorrow by 5, I'm going to post a little playoff football contest for this weekend. It's free to get in. We'll do like a store credit giveaway. So Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, check that out. Marquise Goodwin, Devontae Booker, Doug Baldwin, Dalton Schultz. I'm also going to do a Throwback Thursday break tomorrow, too. Took 2 weeks off from that, so we're going to get that back going tomorrow, too. Blake Bortles, Matt Ryan, Calais Campbell, rated rookie Rashad Penny. Looking at the green velocity coming up again. Justin Watson, Kirk Cousins, Devontae Freeman, green velocity, Michael Gallup for the Cowboys. Another nice parallel for Adam. Khalil Mack, Thielen, Khalil Mack Retro, and a John Kelly rated rookie. Burnett, Mack, Prescott, and a light green Matt Ryan. Or sorry, light blue, teal, whatever it is. Not $2.99. The Falcons. We got another red. So it's Calvin Ridley rated rookie. Peterson, Tyreek Hill, and a red Bilal Powell for the Jets. It's out of 99. 3 more packs, and then the auto pack, unless we got a bonus auto in this one. Kenyon Drake, Flacco, Tyreek Hill hollow, and Trey Quinn. Jordan Howard, J.J. Watt, Gronk, and Ito Smith rookie. Josh Norman, Hyde, Aguilar, and Jordan Atkins rookie. All right. Here's the auto. Keenan Allen, Terrell Suggs. We got Sam Darnold rated rookie. And the auto is nice. Calvin Ridley, hollow auto for the Falcons. That's 95 of 99. So Calvin Ridley, that's going to Corey Owens. Nice hit there for Corey. All right, solid way to end Optic there. 2 more boxes to go. Obsidian and then Immaculate. Obsidian and Immaculate. A lot of fat ones in this one. All right, trying to see which way to pull here. We're just going to go this side first. A Terrell Suggs. Pink out of 75 for the Ravens. All the cards ship, Tyler. We ship all the cards unless it's noted on the site. If it's ever not going to ship something, I'll put it on the website saying something's not going to ship. A DJ Chark, rookie for the Jags. That's numbered out of 100. I don't even know where to go here. Let's go. This one is the case hit insert. We have the case hit inserts. Vitreous, Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Mike Gallagher. Nice hit there for the Ravens. And we're going to go do this. All right. We got Mark Walton jersey for the Bengals. 7 of 100. That's going to Mark Green. Got Alvin Kamara jersey for the Saints. That's out of 100. Saints was Bruno. There you go, Bruno. Nice little show card for you there. Got a James Washington patch card for the Steelers. That's 19 of 50. The Steelers? Who are the Steelers? It's Jonah Jason Evie. We got a Mo Hurst auto for the Raiders. 43 of 100. Raiders is combo spot, Mike Gallagher. And then we got a really nice hit here. Sam Darnold. Yellow auto for the Jets. Caden and Tim. That's 8 of 10. Very nice Sam Darnold rookie auto out of 10 for the Jets and Tim and Caden. Nice hit, guys. I think this guy's going to be really good. He impressed me this year. They get some more weapons around them. Very nice Darnold hit. All right, everyone. Last box. Immaculate. Move it. There we go. All right. Good luck, everyone. Base card on top. Donta Foreman for the Texans out of 99. That's going to Mark Green. Got this nasty jumbo patch, dirty patch. Devontae Parker, 38 of 50. For the Dolphins. And Megan Coffey. Then we have a card that's going to have to go to the random. Oh, wow. This is a good box, guys. Going to have to go to the random after the break is done. We got a dual patch, Marcus Mariota and Lamar Jackson, 45 of 50. So we will do a random after the break between Mark Green, who has the Titans, and Mike Gallagher, who has the Ravens. So I'll put that one on the side. How about this one? Nameplate nobility Stevie Young, 2 of 5 for the Niners. Tim and Caden. Nasty card right there. That's technically a 101 too, because it just spells his last name out. So this is from the Owen Young. Great card there. Another nice one right behind it. Melvin Gordon patch auto out of 20 for the Chargers. That's going to Steven Hufana. Melvin Gordon patch auto for the Chargers. Still 2 more cards to go. We got a redemption. Rookie patch autographs. This is the True RPA. Hayden Hurst. Hayden Hurst. This one's going to the Ravens. And Mike Gallagher. And last one from this box is a very nice Traquan Smith. 16 of 25 acetate dual patch auto for the Saints and Bruno. So Saints paying off for Bruno on that one. 16 of 25. Oh, nice card there. All right, that's the Immaculate break. Let me get the random pulled up for tiebreaker. All right, so this is going to be for 5 times between Mark and Mike. All right, 5 times. Good luck, Mark and Mike. Here we go. 1. Mike on top. 2. Mark. 3. Mark. 4. Mark. And 5. Mike Gallagher gets the dual hit. So sorry, Mark. You lost on the random on that one. All right, guys. That is the 5-box 2018 Panini Football Mixer.